In a small shop, space is at a premium, which is where mobile bases come in. With the Bora Plywood Universal Mobile Base Kit, you can customize it to fit any tool in your shop up to 400 pounds. It's designed to work with any thickness of plywood up to 1.5 inches, so it can even be used with a 2x4 frame. It comes with easy to follow instructions, but the basic idea, you measure the footprint of your tool, add an inch to each side, and cut your plywood to fit. Then you use the corner brackets as a template to drill holes in your plywood, and use the included hardware to put it all together. Once fully assembled, it should look something like this. You've got your leveling feet, you've got 3-inch hard rubber casters, and then you've got your locking foot levers for raising when you need to move the machine. You can see we made ours to fit our jet joiner, and it's rock solid when it's down. It moves nice and easy. To pick up one of these for yourself, visit your local Woodcraft store or go online to woodcraft.com.